Goes news source, 10 News.
Hi, Mr. Liss. I'm J.W. August.
A disbarred attorney and convicted felon is now in the business of buying and selling women's eggs.
10 viewers contacted Team 10 when his surrogacy website just didn't seem right to them. So investigator Mitch Blocker went to work.
Guys, we caught this former attorney committing fraud back in 2011. He pleaded guilty to renting out a property he didn't own, and now Team 10 has found he has moved into a new line of work. We wanted to ask Stephen Liss about his latest business venture, Surrogacy Solutions International.
Hi, Mr. Liss. I'm J.W. August from Channel 10. I wanted to talk to you about your surrogacy business. Have you got, what assurance do you have? What assurance?
On his website, Liss looks for clients who want to have a baby or woman willing to donate eggs. Liss claims he has 20 years of experience in surrogacy law, yet Liss can't practice law in California because he is disbarred. The state bar called him not trustworthy when they pulled his license in September of 2010. Dirk Holland is a software designer who created the website for Liss.
He also told me he was a lawyer in good standing.
Holland says Liss also told him he was a surrogacy expert and promised to pay him $2,000. But Holland questioned some of the website's content and says he was not paid at all. When Holland wanted to pull the site down, he says Liss threatened to sue him. The site is still active.
He wanted to help people be able to have children.
Liana Trejo told us Liss hired her to organize his Pacific Beach office and throw out records, including his old legal files. She says during her 3 days on the job, she found a note in the records from a previous employee.
Please just pay me the money that you owe me. And it was about $200 and something. Really small amount of money.
When she quit, she says Liss wouldn't pay her either and told her he was broke. She took him to small claims court. Liss didn't show up and the case was continued. That's when Trejo says she dropped the case because she had a new job and couldn't take time off. 2 Team 10 staff members went undercover to Liss's Pacific Beach office to see what he was offering to the public.
He asked you if I wanted to donate my eggs or be a surrogate.
A surrogate is a woman hired to carry someone else's baby to term. For egg donors, there can be rare, serious side effects, which include an enlargement of the ovaries and significant fluid retention. Other risks include needle puncture of the bladder, bowel, or blood vessels. Less serious side effects include bloating, abdominal pain and swelling, breast tenderness, and moodiness.
He told me that for between $5,000 and $15,000, I could sell my eggs, and for $25,000, I could be a surrogate.
Liss did not tell Team 10 about the risks involved in removing their eggs. The California Health and Safety Code requires notification about the risks before a donor contract is signed. After our surprise visit, Liss shut down the Pacific Beach office. Today, he is working off his website, but his office location is unknown. Now, by law, neither Liss or any other similar business needs a license or any training for surrogacy services.
So if a woman wants to be a surrogate or find one, what kind of protections does she have?
Completely varies from state to state. For example, in the state of Michigan, even signing a surrogacy contract is illegal.
He just won't stop, will he?
We keep finding him doing this kind of stuff, time and time again.
Yeah.
Message there.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.